Them will come with misinformation. Them will come with a bag of money. And them will come with other things. Just remember this. They don't have no plan to uplift Portland. They've had it for 9 years, and it is worse than it was that when they found it. The People's National Party is the party with the vision for development. Ralph and I come out of the same tradition of progressive politics in the Caribbean. And it is my intent, with the team of talent that I have, to deliver the transformational leadership that can take Jamaica out of being a low-wage, low-growth, low-tech economy that is stagnating, and one where our people's talents are put to work, and we can build a great country here where people can have a decent quality of life, where they can enjoy good health care, top-class education, solid infrastructure, and a vibrant economy for them and their children and their grandchildren and generations to come.